Did you know there's a mythical bird so wise it holds all the knowledge in the universe? I'm Henry, and today we're climbing the world tree to meet the legendary Simurgh. Picture this. Atop the mighty tree, Sienna sits a massive bird with shimmering peacock feathers and the head of a dog. For thousands of years, the Simurgh has watched everything, learning every secret the world holds. Heroes brave enough to seek ultimate wisdom must climb through 3 levels of existence. But here's the catch. The Simurgh doesn't make it easy. She tests each seeker with mind-bending riddles and tricky illusions that would drive most people mad. Only the most worthy heroes receive the ultimate prize, a single golden feather. Each feather is magical. It can heal any wound, answer any question, or solve any problem. But here's the twist. It only works once. Persian poets knew what they were doing with this tale. The Simurgh's quest represents something we all face. True wisdom only comes after great sacrifice and pushing through life's toughest trials.